Writing a good LinkedIn post is not just about the idea, formatting also matters. If your post looks messy or hard to read, people might simply skip it. So, in this quick demo, I'll show you a free tool from connectsafely.ai called the LinkedIn Text Formatter. This tool helps you format and preview your LinkedIn posts before publishing them. As you can see on my screen, I have simply written a post about software as a service sales. The title says 3 lessons I learned in software as a service sales, followed by a short paragraph and a few key points. Now, if I want to make the title stand out, I can simply highlight it and click the bold option. And let me just do it for you. Just select it and simply click on this option. It's the bold option. And as you can see on the right, this is what your post will look like in LinkedIn. I can also format parts of text in italics or quickly create bullet points using formatting buttons here. So let me select this all and just transform it into italics. And as you can see on the right, this is the LinkedIn preview. How will be my post shown in the LinkedIn? This makes the post much easier to read and more structured for LinkedIn. One really useful feature is the preview panel on the right side. As you can see, it shows exactly how the post will appear on LinkedIn before you even publish it. So you can adjust spacing, formatting, and structure until it looks clean and readable. Once the post looks good, I can simply click copy text and paste it directly into LinkedIn. So instead of guessing how your post will look, this tool helps you format and preview your content quickly before posting. Before wrapping up, one more useful feature of this tool is Markdown support. Markdown is a simple way of formatting text using symbols. For example, using double asterisks around a word can make it bold, and a dash can create bullet points. The tool automatically converts this Markdown formatting into clean, structured text that's ready for LinkedIn. So whether you prefer using the formatting buttons or writing in Markdown, this tool helps you quickly structure your posts and preview how they will look before publishing. You can try the LinkedIn text formatter and Markdown converter for free on connectsafely.ai. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.